I'm Christina Deloma with a tip of the trade. Today's tip, how to have fantastic audio during a video call. In a video call, it is really important that both people be able to hear each other and the sound is crystal clear. Oftentimes, that call is recorded for other purposes, so the audio is key into getting the message across. The first thing is to make sure the person that's talking is in a quiet place. Oftentimes there's lots happening around us, so having that quiet place is really going to take care of that ambient noise that may interfere with the rest of the audio. The second tip is to know where the microphone is. Sometimes the mic is in a laptop if that's what you're using, or in your phone. For best case scenario, I suggest investing in some good earbuds. That way the mic is really close to your mouth, and so the audio has less of that ambient sound and more of the words that are coming out of your mouth. I'm Christina Deloma with a tip of the trade.